This is a massage technique for the front of your shin muscle called your tibialis anterior. We're going to go ahead and use a lacrosse ball, the peanut, for this. We're going to go ahead and do this both ways. So we're going to go horizontally first. And what you're going to do is in this little crevice here, we're going to put this ridge of your shin right in that crevice. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and put the ball right here at the top of the shin. And then you're going to work your way all the way down. When you find a tender spot, you're just going to hang out there for a little bit, oscillate back and forth. Do that for about a minute or two, and then it'll start to loosen up, and then you can go ahead and move off of that area and go down into another area. Do the same thing, work your way all the way down to the ankle, and then go back and forth. And then you can also turn it vertically, and then go ahead and push down onto the meat of that muscle. And then if you want more weight, you can just lean into it. Hold that for about a minute or two. Let it release. And then move it on down. Same thing here. Hold that and let it release. And those were some massage techniques for your shin splints. If your symptoms continue to persist, please consult your medical professional.